Welcome back, fitness warriors. We are thrilled to present the ultimate full-week workout plan that you can conquer right from the comfort of your home, using nothing more than a pair of trusty dumbbells. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned pro, this comprehensive full-body routine is designed to challenge and elevate your fitness level without the need for a gym membership. So, get ready to sweat, smile, and take your fitness journey to new heights. Let's dive into this action-packed week of exercises. Day 1 Monday, Upper Body Power. Happy Monday! We're kicking off the week with an intense upper body workout to build strength and sculpt your arms, chest, back, and shoulders. Make sure to warm up thoroughly before engaging in any exercise. Let's get started with the following routine. 1. Dumbbell bench press. Lie on a flat bench and perform 4 sets of 12 reps each to target your chest muscles. 2. Dumbbell shoulder press. Sit on a bench with back support and lift those dumbbells overhead for 4 sets of 10 reps to work those deltoids. 3. Dumbbell bent over rows. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, hinge at the hips, and perform 4 sets of 12 reps to strengthen your back. 4. Dumbbell hammer curls. Stand tall, engage your core, and perform 3 sets of 10 reps to target your biceps. 5. Tricep kickbacks. Lean forward, perform 3 sets of 12 reps per arm to work those triceps. Day 2 Tuesday, Lower Body Burn. Happy Tuesday! Today's focus is on your lower body. Prepare your legs for action with a dynamic warm-up, and let's dive into this lower body burn. 1. Goblet squats. Hold a dumbbell close to your chest and squat down for 4 sets of 12 reps to strengthen your quads and glutes. 2. Dumbbell Romanian deadlifts. Keep your back straight and perform 4 sets of 10 reps to target your hamstrings and lower back. 3. Dumbbell step-ups. Utilize a sturdy platform and do 3 sets of 12 reps per leg to engage your quads and glutes. 4. Dumbbell walking lunges. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps per leg, alternating lunges to work on your quads and glutes. 5. Dumbbell calf raises. Stand on the edge of a step or a raised platform and perform 3 sets of 15 reps to strengthen your calf muscles. Day 3 Wednesday, Active Recovery and Yoga. It's midweek, and your body deserves some active recovery and rejuvenation. Take a break from intense workouts and opt for a gentle yoga session to improve flexibility and reduce stress. Breathe deeply and let your body heal. Day 4 Thursday, Sculpting your core. Happy Thursday! Today's focus is on sculpting your core muscles. Warm up with some dynamic stretches to engage your core, and let's get those abs working. 1. Dumbbell Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lift your feet off the ground, and rotate your torso while holding a dumbbell for 3 sets of 15 reps. 2. Dumbbell woodchoppers. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, hold the dumbbell with both hands, and twist your torso for 3 sets of 12 reps per side. 3. Dumbbell renegade rows. Get into a plank position with each hand holding a dumbbell, and row each arm for 3 sets of 10 reps per side. 4. Dumbbell bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, perform bicycle-like movements, and complete 3 sets of 20 reps to challenge your core stability. 5. Dumbbell plank shoulder taps. From a plank position, tap your opposite shoulder with each hand for 3 sets of 12 reps per side. Day 5 Friday, Total Body Circuit Madness. TGIF. It's time to unleash your inner warrior with an intense total body circuit that will push your limits and leave you feeling accomplished. Get ready for a heart-pumping, full-body workout. 1. Dumbbell thrusters. Hold the dumbbells at shoulder height, perform a squat, and press the dumbbells overhead for 12 reps. 2. Dumbbell push press. Start with the dumbbells at shoulder height, dip slightly, and use your legs to help press the weights overhead for 12 reps. 3. Dumbbell renegade rows with push-ups. Get into a plank position with each hand holding a dumbbell, perform a row, and then a push-up for 10 reps per side. 4. Dumbbell reverse lunges with bicep curls. Step back into a lunge while curling the dumbbells for 10 reps per leg. 5. Dumbbell burpees. Perform a burpee with dumbbells in hand for 10 reps. Day 6 Saturday, Cardio and Flexibility Fusion. It's the weekend. On Saturdays, we combine the power of cardio with the grace of flexibility. Get your heart rate up and enhance your flexibility with the following routine. 1. Jumping jacks. Do 3 sets of 1 minute each to get that heart pumping. 2. High knees. Perform 3 sets of 1 minute each to engage your core and work on your cardiovascular endurance. 3. Jump rope. Grab a jump rope and do 3 sets of 1 minute each for a fantastic full body cardio workout. 4. Full body stretching and yoga flow. Spend 20 minutes stretching major muscle groups and indulge in a flow of yoga poses to enhance flexibility and soothe your mind. Day 7 Sunday, Active Rest and Mindful Movement. Happy Sunday! It's time for an active rest day. Engage in light activities like walking, gentle yoga, or even doing some light household chores to keep your body moving without overexertion. Take this opportunity to meditate, focus on breathing, and rejuvenate your mind. Congratulations, fitness warriors! You've completed an epic full week of challenging and rewarding at-home workouts using just dumbbells. Remember, progress takes time and dedication, so keep pushing forward and stay committed to your fitness journey. If you enjoyed this workout plan, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and routines. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time with more exciting workouts. Stay fit, stay strong, and stay motivated.